Narinder? Narinder? Narinder! I've never seen you act like this before. I've seen your eyes get big, but it's like you're seeing another dimension. What did you three do to him?
I thought Catnip would help him relax. It does for some cats. It can help anxiety, insomnia.
A medicine to relax him? Well, you are tense all the time. Well, do you feel relaxed?
No. I'm high as shit. I'm freaking the fuck out.
Shit. Yeah, what's gotten into you?
Get over here.
Wait. Yeah, Narinder. What are you?
Oh, what made you think you could outrun death? You've always been more brutish than you were quick. Do you know how long I've wanted to do that since I was in chains?
Oh.
Experiencing a feeling, aren't you, Landy?
Yeah. Okay, no more catnip for you. I can't let followers see me like this, and you don't want to ruin your stoic guy image, right?
What? Catnip wore off an hour ago.